Oh, hi, good afternoon. Uh, I'm going to give you a quickie demonstration on how the customer app works and how the driver app works. So if you see, I'm using Android devices over here. On this device, I have the customer app. On this device, I have the driver app. So let's start with the customer app. Let's say the customer wants to sign in. What he does is like he goes over here and he's going to put in his information. So I'm going to use the information as rider @ gmail.com. That's a dummy account, so that is rider @ gmail.com, and the password is 123123, and I click on sign in. So he goes in actually. So if you are able to see, it's like the rider is immediately able to see what is his current location, and if he wants to change the set pickup location, he can change the location, and based upon whatever is the set pickup location, the address over here changes. So I'll give you a walkthrough of the menu, how the menu works and everything. So he gets to see his profile picture. He can click on the profile picture and change all his profile information from here. That's the first screen. The second option is the home tab, where he can book the ride. The third option is the fixed ride. Fixed ride is an option in which whatever rides are fixed with fixed price are visible over here. He can choose and book any of them. Then if I click on my trips, the customer is able to see all the trips he has booked for. I take this further. Payment is the option in which the customer gets an opportunity to fill in the credit card information from here. I go further. Promotion is an option in which the customer can check out all the promo codes which are available, which can be submitted by the company. Share is the option in which he can share his referral code and can earn bonus. So he can share the referral code on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Google, and on chat. Help is the information, whatever information the customer requires will be visible over here in the help tab. So this is managed from the content management system. All the contents are controlled from the backend system. Panic is a very important feature added. If something is gone wrong with the customer, if he's unsatisfied with the trip or something is wrong or the driver is not a proper driver, he can click on the panic button. Immediately the message is sent to the back office panel. Sign out is the sign out option. Now I'm going to click on home and let's set up this as a start location. This was the pickup location. This is the destination location. I'm going to put it as Polanco. I'm based out in Mexico, so I'm putting it Polanco as the location. So it shows me the start point, it shows me the end point, and I'm gonna click on book now. I'll select I want to go for with an SUV, and it's calculating. It shows 9 minutes as the time it will take. That's an estimated time, and that's an estimated price. I'm gonna click on done. So the moment I click on done, it gives me an option. I can pay by cash, I can pay by credit card. I'm going to say I want to pay by cash, request the pickup. So I've requested the pickup now, and it goes to the nearest driver. So if you see, I got a notification, the driver gets a notification. All nearest drivers are going to get the notification. So this is the driver @ gmail.com, 123123 is the password. He goes in and he's got a notification, pick up new trip. So he gets to see the new trip over here in all, and he's gonna click on like show the pickup location, because he has to understand it's like where is the pickup location and where is the destination location. So this is the pickup location and the destination location. Now I'm just gonna click on done, and I click on accept the trip because I want to accept the trip. And then after that, it's like I'm gonna click on pick up now because I want to pick up that person. And I'm going to click on, let's say I'm going to click on start the trip because I want to start the trip. So the moment I click on start the trip, it comes over here, and the trip has to, it's like has to start. So the trip, let's say it's like the trip has started, and I get to see it's like the driver is able to see the start and the end location. And in some time, it's like whenever the trip is ended, so here the customer got a notification, your booking request accepted by James. So he comes and pick up that person, and I'm just going to click on the notification. let's see what happens. So I picked up on the notification. I get to see it's like James Dove is the driver who's going to pick me up, and I can contact him via phone call, via chat. I can send an SMS message to him. If I click on call, I can call him, and I'll go back to the driver now, and I'm in the driver tab. Let's say it's like the driver gets to see it's like all the details and everything, and he can click on finish trip because the trip has finished. If he has done with the finish trip, he comes over here. The customer gets a notification over here, your trip has been successfully completed. And it works exactly like Uber, and I can go in and check in my trips. All my trips are visible over here. I get to see my completed trips. The customer gets to see all the completed trips over here, and the driver can also see the completed trips by clicking on completed over here. So he gets to see the completed trip. If you have any questions, do let me know. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.